So this is the winter of 2014. First official blizzard. You can tell it's snowing outside. You can tell, hey, wait to the camera. You're on camera. Hey, I got a car honk. You can tell it's snowy outside. Plumstead Avenue, that's my street. I don't want any stalkers coming on the street. I'm not gonna give them my address, but hey, wait to the camera. Bitch. Okay, we all know she's not gonna wave. Well, look at the snow. This is the snow. And this is where I live. This is atrocious. Like, you people have to walk here. I was walking my dog. There's a car coming by. Say hi. Or honk, whatever. And you can tell there's a green light up there, but yeah. Look, people don't have a lot of nerve to shovel. Like, here's my street. You can't even walk on my street because it's so bad. You know, houses. This is a typical Drexel Hill weather. Nobody wants to be out because it's going to be the apocalypse. Yeah, think ahead and think about other certainty. And it looks like I'm going to be walking in a snowstorm in a couple minutes, or a snowblower. Ugh. As much as I approve of snowblowers, it's stinky and bad. But, you know, just go out there and shovel. I don't care if you're going to complain or not. Just help your parents out, or help old people out, because you know old people are going to have trouble with their back. So I think that's my neighbor that's doing the snow blowing. But oh my God, it's crazy. You cannot even. Oh, yeah, it is my neighbor. So this is the crazy weather. So we're probably not gonna have a drought this year. I hope not. I'm predicting a cool winter, cool summer. Can't wait for spring training. So hopefully I don't walk in this mess. All right. I'll videotape the next step.